guys, it's Marisaaabel. Welcome back to another video. I'm kidding. Let me chill. What's up, guys? It's like, so make sure to like the video, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. And you guessed it, I'm actually in the Z370Z, and I'm just gonna do this video and explain like what I like and what I don't like from this car, because I do want something like this or similar. I don't know, but I'm just gonna give like you know, my opinion on, you know, this car. It is my opinion, so your opinion is your opinion. And yeah, let's go ahead. So let's start from outside. Definitely do have a lot of fun in this thing though. I like it, one, because it's black, and yeah, I love black cars, and then white cars is my second one. So this is definitely like a 10 out of 10 because it's black, and I definitely, you know, want a black car. I just love the 370Z body style compared to the 350. Like, it just has a whole different type of, I don't know, just a whole different look. Not a fan of the 350 look, but yeah, this definitely an A1. Some people are weird. They just be like stopping and like just driving super slow, like just to see, like, okay, you just don't see anybody recording like that. But let's go from the side. See, look at that person over there, like driving mad slow. You can keep going. So yeah, from the side, it's just amazing. Like, it's so small. From the back, beautiful. Like, it's just so wide. Like, damn, what a big ass. Woo. Look at the side. And I know some people wide body it. I personally wouldn't, but hey, again, your opinion is your opinion. I like that it has the 2 exhausts. Some people don't, but I personally do. I like the wing. If I'm not mistaken, I think this is OEM. Yeah, I think, yeah, that has to be OEM. I don't think he installed that. I'm not too sure. But the tail lights in the back actually remind me of the front, which that's also good. I debadged the car if I had it. Probably not. I'll probably keep this. Yeah, I'm still like pretty high or tall, if you want to say. These rims, I believe they're stock rims. Yeah, they are. In the orange, okay, so number one thing, the orange calipers with the orange interior actually was like fire. Like, I give that like a definitely like a plus. Like, okay, you got it. I definitely would say that there is tons and tons of blind spots in this car. Exterior, fire. Z badge here. I haven't noticed if that lights up at night. The inside, interior color, really nice. Now, when I'm getting in there, you gotta be really careful because you gotta bend down. Like, really bend down. The steering wheel, fine. I like the fact that this car has paddle shifters. You can put it like manual, so it gives me an experience of like a manual car, which is a plus, because I have told you guys that I do want to learn how to drive manual one day. I have to get that off my bucket list. So this actually helps me a lot. Honestly, I like that it has a screen here. Just this overall setup. I've seen some that has no screen. Bulky, like, what is it, probably like a storage space or something in here. I've seen those a lot. I mean, and I've seen some screens like all the way down here, and then I've seen some that have no screen. So that's what kind of confuses me a little bit. I would definitely get something exactly like this. You know, I like my backup camera. I like something with a screen in it. So yeah, this definitely pass right here for me. Yeah, there's not much negativity inside here. Like, that has this, like the Z, it lights up. It also lights up orange, because, hold on, let me show you guys. Orange, so it matches well with the interior. That is the goal here. I love that this is black. Oh my gosh, like I personally wanted to get a black what is it called, like sunroof thing, I don't know, ceiling. But I wanted to get a black one for my Altima because I hate that whole brown nonsense. That shit is so ugly. So I really like that this is black because it just makes everything perfect. Like even this is black. But I like also that there is some storage here. I didn't realize this until like the second day that there was legit storage right here. So I got like my gym stuff there. Oh, and I totally forgot, I saw a video yesterday, so that you can actually use this as storage. Yo, I didn't even notice. Like what? All right, let's open the back here. Yep, I still think this isn't okay, like spacing for me. I mean, you could just put a couple bags, I mean something like that. Again, it's not meant to have the whole world and your whole family in here and like 15 dogs and like a bowl of fish, like, you know. It's not meant for that. So it's just meant like for you, yourself, and I, if that makes sense, you get me? So I say the interior, I like it. Like I said, there's not really much negativity that I can say about this car besides like the blind spots. I do feel like it's pointless a little bit that they have this window here because I mean you can't even see, you can't even use it. So I would say that minus that, everything else in there is amazing. To me it's kind of uncomfortable because I'm not used to a two-door car just yet. If you bag it, it's just gonna make the car heavier and it's not gonna move as fast as it should. But that's just me. I don't know. If I'm wrong, comment down below and let me know. But I mean, you got a big ass tank in your car, so I'm pretty sure it's not going to, like, you know, speed up, you know what I mean? So 10 out of 10. Actually, yo, this car, I don't know, this car is like the one. This got me, like, for real. I'm gonna show you guys, or let you guys hear how it sounds when I turn it on. Now remember, this is a stock 370Z, so there's nothing at all to it. So let me go ahead and just show you guys, because it still makes some type of noise compared to my Altima. So let me know, do you guys like the sound of it? Like, it is stock, but it has like something to it regardless. I mean, oh, I really like it. This car gets so hot, like inside. Like, I don't know if it's because that's the only thing I would say that I don't like, that this car gets super hot, and I don't know why. But let me know why it gets hot. Like, is that normal or is there something wrong? The end of my dislikes and likes of this car. The gas, like, I know it's a 6-cylinder and I'm used to the 4. I legit put $40 the other day. That thing only went half a tank, like probably like 2 bars above half a tank or something like that, 2 dots. And I was like, right, I think I needed to put like 60 or something like that. Like, I'm not used to like all the whole 6, 8 cylinder. I wouldn't daily this car at all. It's not front or all-wheel drive, and I can't do that. But that's it. I think overall this car is really fun, and I hope you guys did enjoy this. I'm gonna give you guys like a small POV actually of me driving. It's not raining right now, it stopped raining, but I got to feel the car while it was look at this guy looking. But I got to like feel the car while it was raining, and I put it in manual or sport mode, and actually I didn't get scared, but it was fun. So I'll go ahead and do that, but make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. And yeah, your girl is out. Peace. Different angle. What's up? What's up? Oh, my bad, guys. Wow, I forgot the camera was there. Oh. Downshift? Oh, okay. I think it downshifted. Oh, I felt that. That shit was scary. That shit worked. Come on, don't be a dick. I hate it when people do that. So when you come to a complete stop, it goes to number one. So when you're slowing down, all right. So when you're slowing down, you have to downshift. And if you're speeding, you have to upshift. All right. I got it, but I don't got it. Yeah, I'm not trying to speed. Downshift? Downshift. I mean, the good thing about this, it kind of tells you like when to, well, it kind of goes automatic, but because it's automatic, but other than that, like, I'm pretty sure manual ain't gonna tell you. I'm scared. I'm scared. It's like, okay. So let me do this real quick. So I'm slowing down. Go to 4. Slowing down. Go to 3. 2. This is really fun. I could do this all day, every day. This car is definitely fun. Like tightening my butt cheeks because I was scared. Is the end of this video, and I hope you guys did enjoy that little POV. I was kind of scared, not gonna lie, because it's raining, but this car is very fun for sure. I'm hungry, but catch you guys all next time. Peace. Ooh.